EAS in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Clark County, eastern Greene County, central Madison County, until 8 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Springfield to near Yellow Springs, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, London, Yellow Springs, Cedarville, Jamestown, South Charleston, Choctaw Lake, Wilberforce, Harmony, Lisbon, Brighton, Lafayette, South Vienna, South Solon, Bowersville, Clifton, Gladstone, Plattsburgh, Bell Center, and Springfield Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 53 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The severe thunderstorm